I got 6 Wii's here. Let's test them and see if they work. Okay, so in one of my previous videos, I had already tested a Wii because I was going through all of my Wiimotes that I had. So you can go check that out. So this one works. We are 1 for 1 so far. And we're going to check out this next one. Maybe we'll have some games in there too. Oh, you're kidding! You're kidding! Twilight Princess! Twilight Princess was in that Wii! Yo! And it looks super clean too. Wow! I mean, I already own this. I have it on my shelf up there, but that's freaking sick. Already a W. We're connected. It is on. Let's just go ahead and pop Twilight Princess back in there. I need to grab a nunchuck then to see if it works. And it freaking does. You know what? It's Skyward Sword. Skyward Sword is what you need the Wii Motion Plus for. The Wii looks like butt cheeks. Maybe it's because I'm on a newer TV. I have this adapter. This is how I'm able to do this. It's an AV2 HDMI. So basically, I can go from AV in to HDMI out to convert it. I also have one that goes backwards. Wherever it is. I have another one that goes backwards, so you can go from an HDMI console like an Xbox or a PlayStation, the newer ones, to AV like for older TVs. But this Wii works. It reads discs. Twilight Princess works. That's a win. Okay, we're 2 for 2 on working consoles. It is disgusting though. I'm going to have to clean these. This one might be the worst. Really dirty. Doors are off. I'm not hopeful for this one. But you never know. Maybe they just took it outside and were playing with it in the mud. Power's on. Got any goodies? We have Wii Sports! And it's in decent shape. Wii Sports sells for some pretty good money. What the heck? We're just full of hidden gems today. And it works. Wow, the dirtiest console. Who would have thought? The doors are off of it though. So if I find one of these consoles that doesn't work, I already have a Wii that doesn't work that I bought at an earlier time, not in this slot. So I'll take the doors off of that one probably and stick it on this. It's always fun going through Wii consoles and seeing all of the Miis that people have made, because when I was a kid and I had a Wii, I made tons of different Miis. Like I would go through and I would make Miis for all of my friends and family, and even some for like your crush. I know you did that too. It's a strike. Well, it works. Now we're 2 for 2. We're 3 for 3 actually, but we're 2 for 2 with special prizes. Okay, gonna have to clean that one. Let's go on to the next one. We do have the doors. This one's actually in really good shape. No SD card. See if she works. Power's on. Okay, I heard the disk drive, so I don't think we got no extras on this one. Let this be a lesson too. If you're ever selling or getting rid of your consoles, make sure that you pull your games out. Sounds like it's reading. It's reading. So we are 4 for 4 on consoles that work. I also have a bag of, it's over here. I've got a bag of power blocks and video cables and sensor bars. So I'm gonna have to kind of piece it all together. And then I've got obviously my bag of Wiimotes that I did. So I'll probably divvy it up for however many consoles I have that work. I'll just divvy it up evenly. I'll try to give 2 or 3 Wiimotes for whatever bundle. Just put it together. Okay, well that works too. So we are currently 4 for 4 with working consoles, 2 for 4 with extra prizes. Okay, this one looks like the door was just pushed out. Not in terrible condition. Kind of looks like somebody drew on it with Sharpie on the bottom. Like a bunch of little black dots. A little strange. We'll see if we can clean that off. The doors are fine though. A little bit dirty. No SD card. Oh my goodness. We have the Mario Kart. Let's go. We got another game. Except it's kind of scratched to piss. I don't know if this will work. I have these like small microfiber cloths that I really like to use, and I kind of use them for all of my deals, my things to clean. Phones, computer screens, discs. I honestly think this is gonna work. This disc looks pretty okay. I don't actually own Mario Kart Wii, so I don't know if I'll keep it either though. I like to have my games with the cases and where I don't own the case. Plus I actually have 4 Wii wheels for Mario Kart that I haven't actually been able to sell. I've had them listed for a couple weeks now. But if I bundled them with Mario Kart, they will sell for sure. And this one works. I mean, we are now currently 5 for 5 with working 5 for 5 working consoles. We got 1 left to test, and we're 3 for 5 with extra goodies. So I would say we're doing quite well. I think I have manual turned off. I need it turned on. It's like the manual drift. See, I need to be able to jump and drift. Gotcha, Toad. We gotcha. Okay. 5 for 5. Another one that works. Okay, on to the last one. This one also doesn't have doors. No SD card. Let's give it a shot. Do we have any extra? We do! We have Zumba Fitness. This is honestly worthless, but I have the strap, so I can pair those two together. Not as exciting as these other ones. Oh, frick. Later. Later. Oh. Okay, well that works. So we were 6 for 6. We were 4 for 6 with extra games. We got Wii Sports, Zumba Fitness, Mario Kart, and Twilight Princess for the Wii. So that is not bad. That's pretty good. Yeah, we got really lucky, honestly, with this lot. So I'm quite pleased with that. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean the consoles, try and bundle them up, pair them together, and get them listed. So that's it. That is the 6 Wii consoles that I had purchased. So awesome.